The internet is full of potential listening practice for EFL students both outside and inside the classroom. But where should teachers begin? Several articles in Forum offer valuable advice about where to look in addition to specific methods for using media such as TV shows, commercials, lyric videos, and songs in the English language classroom. The first article, Media Circles, Lively, Learner-Led Lessons, describes how teachers can use media circles, a type of extensive listening activity, to promote student motivation and offer non-academic materials for listening practice. The second article, Using Nonprofit Commercials to Teach English, suggests using nonprofit commercials and public service announcements as a way to teach listening skills and present topics for learning and discussion, while incorporating top-down and bottom-up listening strategies. The third article, Lyric Videos, Sound, Image, and Meaning for English Language Learners, introduces lyric videos as a resource for teaching listening and provides examples of how they can be used with different age and skill levels. Finally, the fourth article, New Ideas for Teaching English Using Songs and Music, offers ideas for using music to teach English and lists online resources for accessing music and songs. Music and songs can be especially effective for listening practice because they are naturally enjoyable and can be used to practice new sounds, words, and phrases, particularly through repetition of high-frequency words and use of first and second-person pronouns, which can support practice with bottom-up processing. After students learn some listening strategies and places to look on the internet for listening practice, they may become experts at finding English language media on the internet themselves.